Finally, a place in Laureles that has a view that isn't completely blocked off, and you're getting 2 balconies with this place. So right as we walk into the apartment, we're gonna go to one of the main features here, which is the balcony that looks towards the east of Medellín. So you're looking towards El Poblado, and this is something that you don't get a lot in Laureles. It's not completely blocked off, as I mentioned. Now we're gonna go back into the living area here in just a second, and you've got a clean, modern setup here. This place comes fully furnished, so it's pretty much move-in ready from day one. And quick note, when you are serious about buying in Medellín, then fill out our form down below and someone on our team will start you with the right process. Coming back to the kitchen, you've got a modern layout with the stovetop here that built on the island, which is pretty awesome. Plus a small laundry area back here, enough room for a washer dryer right there side by side. You could possibly put a dryer stack there if you wanted. We're gonna come to the first social bathroom here. So you have 3 bedrooms in total and 3.5 bathrooms with 100 square meters of space. This hallway will go into this little nook that they have as an office setup, and that's probably the best use that you can use that space right now. The first guest bedroom here with its own full bathroom, and you'll notice that the bathrooms are quite sizable, right? They have a lot of room there. They're not really small bathrooms. And here's the second guest bedroom here with its own full bathroom. Again, just take a look at the size. Enough size there for, you know, being that it is 100 square meters, which is still pretty big space here. But what this guest bedroom has is access to the second balcony, and now we're looking at the east of Medellín. And you also get air conditioning with this property as well. I know a lot of people love or they love asking us, can you install AC? Or they say something like, oh, it doesn't have AC. Well, you don't have to worry about it because it's already installed. And it has access to that balcony, shared access, because the master bedroom also has access to the balcony here, and it has its own master bathroom as well with the double vanity, which you don't see often here. So that's pretty much it. Let's go to the map to show you where we are and what's around you. All right, so let's check out the property listing for this apartment. It is on our website at medellinlivingrealestate.com. I'll have all of the property details listed down below in the description. But looking at this listing, you can learn that this property is on the 9th floor and it's in a newer building. 2023 is when it was built. And the building also comes with its own little small gym. Now let's go over to Google Maps to show you where this property is located. So I opened up Google Maps here and I have marked out here this yellow area. This is a little neighborhood in Laureles, right? We're in Laureles, but we're in the neighborhood called La Lorena. And the property is located right here in the purple area, that general area. So you're very close to a lot of things around you. The main thing that you're really close to are the 2 parks of Laureles, Segundo Parque de Laureles and Primer Parque of Laureles. And I have them marked out here in red. You're literally 10 minutes walking away and everything's flat, so the walk is not gonna be exhausting. And if you don't know about those 2 main parks of Laureles, well, there you can find restaurants, cafes, co-working shops. And if you're looking for nightlife in Laureles, you're also close to La 70. I zoomed out just a little and I marked out this green line right here. That's La 70. You're just about 15 minutes away, possibly 5 minutes in Uber if you didn't want to walk over, but you're relatively really close. And this whole area of Laureles is very residential, so you know it's going to be quiet and it's going to be safe as well. That's it for this amazing property in Laureles. When you're ready to buy in 30 days and your budget is $150,000 or above. So that's it for this amazing apartment in Laureles. When you're actively looking to buy in Medellín and your budget is $150,000 or above, then our team can help you out. We don't just show you properties that we have in our direct inventory. We scan the entire market based on your criteria and act as your private MLS here. We call that the Medellín Living Search System. We only work one-on-one with buyers who are ready to follow our process and move forward seriously. So once you're ready to start that process, go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form and someone on the team will reach out to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.